In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Engagebay for your marketing and sales needs. This guide will walk you through creating an account, adding contacts, setting up campaigns, and tracking performance. Start by visiting the Engagebay website to create your account. Look for a prominent button or link that says sign up on the home page. After clicking this, you will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you complete the registration process, check your email for a confirmation link. Clicking this link will verify your account. After verification, return to the Engagebay website and log in using your credentials to access the main dashboard. Once you are logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Engagebay provides various tools for marketing automation, customer relationship management, and sales tracking. Spend time exploring each section to understand the features available. This initial exploration will help you navigate the platform more efficiently as you begin managing your contacts and campaigns. Next, you will need to add contacts to your Engagebay account. Within the dashboard, look for an option labeled contacts or add contacts. You could either import existing contacts from a file or manually add new ones. Organizing your contacts using tags, lists, or segments is crucial for effective management. This organization allows you to target specific groups for your marketing efforts later on. After organizing your contacts, it's time to set up your marketing campaigns. Navigate to the campaigns section of the dashboard and select an option to create a new campaign. You can choose from various types of campaigns, such as email promotions or automated messages. Customize the settings to align with your business objectives, including defining your audience and scheduling the campaign. A well-planned campaign enhances customer engagement and increases the chances of conversion. After launching your campaigns, it is essential to monitor their performance using the analytics tools available in Engagebay. Look for options that allow you to track metrics such as email open rates, click-through rates, and lead conversions. Regular reviewing these analytics will help you understand how your campaigns are performing. Utilize these insights to adjust your marketing strategy as needed, improving your approach to increase sales and strengthen customer relationships. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.